Today I'm going to show you how to do a swing zero round for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a swing zero round, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your cheat zero round. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. When you start this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance, looking forward at your target. You're going to bring your swing leg up to a front side swing, jump, and throw your round kick. Then land with your non-kicking leg, followed by your kicking leg into a front side stance. Or you can follow through with your kick all the way back to a backside stance. So let's go ahead and break this move down into progressions. First progression is going to be a swing round kick. The second progression is going to be a swing round follow through. And basically you're just doing your swing round kick and making sure that you're kicking while you're in the air. Let's check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support this channel just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/upraiztricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into a pop zero hook, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.
It's 5 in the morning and I'm